Hey guys, Tim at CRE here. Love to celebrate when we can get more than one of these special edition cars, the 88 924S Special Edition. This is Scott and Emily's chassis number 122 out of 500. And pretty cool equipped car. It's got a rolled bar in there because they do take it to track events. And so it's still got, you know, the original wheels on there and some other tasteful upgrades. This is my chassis number 254 out of 500, and it's still got the original wheels on there, and you can see the burgundy interior carpeting inside. Same wheels. We're working at doing a couple tasteful mods on this one. You can see both cars are slick top, which is pretty fun. And then here's that real characteristic interior of the 88 Special Editions. It's a super light flannel interior, gray flannel with burgundy pinstripes. You can see the hand crank windows on the door panel there, and inside there's that burgundy carpeting. You can see there's a center console delete right there, and fun stuff. So we're really enjoying fixing up this car. It's going to get some more steering system upgrades, and fun as hell to drive. Man, this morning coming in, we had super cold temperatures in San Diego, 39 degrees, so engine was nice and warm and the air was cold, and man did she fly. Just the car's really quick with those 88 high compression pistons. So fun playing with the SEs. We'll save more and more as we go, and talk to you later.